Welcome back everyone, welcome back to the Little Red Ninja Allotment channel. Wow, I'm busy and in today's video I will be endeavouring to sow a load of seeds, and the first lot of seeds that I'm sowing are some carrots in the polytunnel, and I tried them this time last year, and they were quite successful. So I'm doing them again, and the variety is called an early Nance 2. So I've filled up these 2 tubs. I'm going to do a couple more tubs later in the week, but I need to insulate the polytunnel like I said in the previous video, so I need to get that done this week before I do the other 2. But I have got some insulation for these 2 tubs, and the way I do it is I just get the seeds and just scatter them all on the surface of the compost. I don't put them down couple of centimeters. I just scatter them on the surface and just ruffle up the compost itself, and that's it. And then obviously cover to keep them semi-warm. But I'll crack on with that and come back when it's done, and then once I've done that, get back to the den, because Little Ninja wants to show you the seeds that he's picked out that he wants me to sow. So let's get on. Well, there you go, that is done. Pretty straightforward. Scatter the seeds on the top of the soil, just manipulate them so they're just underneath the surface, and then I've just put some fleece on top just to protect it, because tonight's supposed to be cold supposedly. But this is how I did it last year and it worked. So hopefully within a couple of weeks I'll have some shoots coming up do excuse me, and hopefully some carrots early part of next year. So let's get on and get back to the den, and let's see what Little Ninja has got in store for us. So as quick as a flash, we'll be back at the den. And there you are, as quick as a flash. And yeah, Little Ninja is ready with what he wants me to sow this week. Not as many as I was thinking he was gonna ask me to sow, but the method I'll use with all these seeds is near enough the same as what I showed you with the carrots back over on the allotment. But let's go through what he's got for me to sow. And I've got Guardsman spring onions, and they're supposed to be really good to sow this time of the year, because you can grow spring onions all year round, to be honest with you. I've got Wild Rocket, never grown it before, but gonna try it. So yeah, Little Ninja is certainly trying to mix it up. Some more salad leaves, as in speedy mix, and also stir fry mix as well. So get those done. I have got some basil, sweet basil, and the good thing about basil is you can sow that and grow it all year round, whether you have it where you've got all your vegetables or your tomatoes, or even on the windowsill. That's the good thing about basil, and it's also very good for being fresh, especially if you've got it on a windowsill. Chervil, I've tried it in the past. I'm going to try it again. And here we go. We've got broad beans, and this variety you can grow right now. You can put it straight into the ground, or as what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick it into pots. And the pots that I will be using are these here. One in each, one seed, possibly two, but when I get to that, I'll decide. Yeah, and I have grown these before and they failed, and that's only because I just put them in the ground to let them go and start to grow, but they never did. They started, but they got bitten by the frost bug, but you can still grow them, so I'm going to do them in the pots first before I put them in the ground. And I've got two varieties of peas here. I've got BTL, which you can grow right now, and also another pea as well. What is that? Douche Provence. So ooh, he's got two packets for me, so he obviously wants me to grow quite a lot of those. So I'll get on and start sowing all these seeds, and when I'm done we'll be right back. So see you in a mo. Right then, everything is nearly all done. I've just got basil to do, but I'll do that in the morning because I've got plenty on the go at the moment on the kitchen windowsill. So little Ninja is happy with what I've done, and I'll just go through what I've done with all the seeds. And if you'd like to ask me any question about any sort of seed that you want to grow or get ahead of next year's growing, do put a comment in the description below, down here somewhere. I don't know where it is. It's down here, but I'll endeavour to answer any sort of question. So right, let's crack on with what I've done. I've done 2 trays of broad bean, and all I've got to do is just put the soil over the top of them. So I'll finish that in a minute. In the first tray, I've got wild rocket in 3, 6, 9, 12 cells, and I've just put the seed on the surface. As you can see, there's little tiny white flecks of the seeds, and I've done exactly the same with every single one apart from these 2 here. And in this one is salad leaves, a stir-fry mix, 12 again. In this one is spring onions, the guardsman. Never grown them before, so I thought let's give it a crack. So hopefully, and I've heard good things about guardsman growing over winter, so I'm gonna give it a go. Chervil in these 6, and at the back here are the peas and the meteor peas in these 2 trays. So the other ones I'm going to wait until I get that thing in the post before I sow them, because I want some peas next year. Early part of next year would be good, because my peas this year have been absolutely atrocious, but I'm determined to get peas next year. But that is a small selection of the seeds that I've sown, and it's only going to get busier with sowing seeds, because I've got quite a busy month. and there is a lot that I will be sowing. Not necessarily planting out on the allotment, but most certainly sowing a lot of seeds. So if you've liked the video today on what you can sow, please give us a thumbs up. That would be great. That would help the channel. And Little Ninja's already putting his thumbs up. Bless him. But if there is any sort of question you want to ask me, please drop it in below, down here. And I'll try and answer them for you. But thank you very much for watching today's video. And next week, hopefully more of the same. Or might be something slightly different. But look after yourselves and, well, get seed sowing. I've already started, so get ahead of the game. And until then, this is Paul from the Little Red Ninja Allotment Den, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.